Happy Easter everybody, and today I'll be cooking a King Prawn Fried Rice for everyone to do at home, using ingredients and vegetables we've got left over in our fridges for Good Friday with a gluten-free soy sauce. Hope you enjoy the recipe. So here's the ingredients: king prawns, cooked king prawns, which I've sliced in half, sweet corn, 1 egg, diced peppers, spring onion, garden peas, and the soy sauce. So we're keeping it to king prawn and vegetables everyone's got in the fridge to make the rice for Good Friday. And if you wanted to make it into a special fried rice, you can put in chicken, ham, whatever you've got, and mix it all together, and that will become a special fried rice for you all. So what's important is that we use a good non-stick pan again. I've got probably a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil. The soy sauce, gluten-free soy sauce, I'll put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce in there. And what I've done, I'll put like a drop of gluten-free mushroom soy sauce in there as well. Mix it together, but that's going to be our seasoning for the rice. And the rice we've got here, always cook it from fresh, which is ready, and it's in the steamer, which I'm going to show everybody now. And we're just going to add our cooked rice, which is nice and hot, and mix it all together. So very simple, and we'll get it all posted for you in stages. Okay, so good tip for everybody is to make sure, turn the pan on, put a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil in there, get the pan nice and hot, and before we start cooking our rice all together with our prawns and vegetables. The rice is already cooked, it's in the steamer, so it's nice and hot, no problems there at all. Great. So first, put our prawns in. Turn the heat up. And with them being cooked, literally start piecing this together. Give it a good stir. I'm going to add our egg, half. Push that to one side. In goes our spring onion. Get the flavour out here. Excellent. Peppers. Give this a mix. Look at the colour, it's amazing. Some peas. And now, with this and mix it together, you can see the prawns starting to, so we don't want to overcook the prawns. Take it off the heat here. We're going to add our rice. So in goes our rice. So depending on how many people you're wanting, I'm going to do enough for good 4 of us. In goes it. And because the rice is hot, everything is cooked already, and it'll literally take minutes. So we're going to add our, back on the heat now, add our sweet corn, plenty of veg, so good for everybody. Get your vegetables in, give it a mix up now. Turn the heat down a little bit. I'm just going to use this as well, just to help give it a mix. Okay. I'm going to add our soy sauce, which I've mixed together. The gluten-free and a touch of the mushroom. This is our seasoning. So, mix all this now. So, if you wanted to add, you can add some chili flakes to it, add a little bit of spice. And if you want to make it into a single pour fried rice, add a little bit of curry powder when you come to finishing off the rice. Happy Easter, and enjoy your King Prawn Fried Rice.